Today I come back down under to show you guys what Powercruise is all about. There's a few main components to this event that makes it one of the biggest automotive events in the country. There's over 1,500 cars of crazy caliber here, up to 2,000 horsepower, mainly to kill tires. The main components of this event are Powercruise sessions, power skids, burnout comp, and off-street drags. And I'm going to show you some of the best moments from this weekend and hop in some crazy cars and just have a blast. Here we go. And fly. Up next is cruise sessions here at Powercruise, and all these cars behind me and over 1,000 more go out for over 15 hours during the weekend on the 2-mile road course here at Sydney Raceway. And you take the corners and drift them, find some straights and do some power skids, or line up next to your mate and do some racing. I'm gonna hop in as many cars as I can and show you guys what this is all about. How's it going?
Right, how are you?
Kyle.
Mark.
Nice to meet you.
You too, you too.
I love this thing.
Yeah.
When I got here on Thursday, I was checking it out. It's a nice little sleep. Well, I don't know if I call it a sleeper. It's pretty loud.
Yeah.
But I love the look. It does not look like the outside under here. There we go. That is nice. Does it ever get old?
No way. No way.
How many tires you got through this weekend?
10 cents.
That's,
Yeah.
jeez. Thank you for the ride.
No problem.
Cheers.
Thank you.
That was a blast.
Awesome. Wow, that fucker is loud. Jesus. Comes up on boost, nice.
Yeah, comes up good. Between, like, they're not the biggest turbos, but
Yeah.
they do a lot.
You been able to find many races, or everyone just doing skids?
Not really, everyone just wants to do skids.
Yeah. That was good. That was neck and neck. Both spin them. Sick. That was awesome. Thank you for the ride.
Thank you, mate.
Not a bad run with Elvis.
Yeah, that's right. We had a good run.
Love the turbo cars.
Thanks, man.
Next up here at Powercruise is the Dream Team. It's a small hand-picked group of cars that are the baddest cars, best drivers, put on a hell of a show down the main straight here for the crowd at Powercruise. I'm gonna hop in this ute here, don't know anything about it, and I think it's gonna tip in pretty hard. I'm going for a ride of a lifetime here. sick, man.
Awesome.
The tiny wheelbase is interesting.
It is.
It's not as violent of a tip-in, but it's so tight.
Tight, that's right.
Yeah. I love it.
It was very tight, that's right. It's good.
That was a good show.
Thank you.
Powerskids, one of my favorite parts about this event, because the competitors start at the starting line. Once they hit the gas pedal, they cannot touch the brakes, or that's it for them. Got to get a good vantage point up here, up on top, because they're going to be going all the way down the track, hopefully. After a good skid, you can't see anything the entire track. The sun's gone down here at Sydney Raceway, and it's time for some good old-fashioned Australian burnouts. We're going to show you a few of the top cars we filmed. Let's get to the skid pad. Damn, that was sick. Loving. Oh, yeah. So I've done some skids earlier, and now we got off-street drags, grudge racing. They do a little bit of a Street Outlaws list race here, where people can call each other out for spots on the list. So just a little bit of testing tonight, and then it's gonna get serious for some money tomorrow. kicker over here.
Yeah, the control was.
Damn. Get a little loose on the top end again?
It was, yeah.
That was a close race.
It was a very close race.
Damn.
It was good.
Who are you racing tonight?
Yeah, baby, I'm racing the fastest car here.
Yeah? Which one?
This weapon over here. Anyone with a PSI gets my respect.
Hell yeah.
Can't even see, bro.
No idea.
I have no clue on that. Damn it. That's the best race of the whole event. You can't even see it.
Turn into power skid contest. Damn. That was a good burnout. Damn, that was close at the end. Tony got way loose on that one. That's a wrap from here in Sydney, Australia at Powercruise 80. It's been a blast this weekend. Big thanks to the crew for having me out here and being able to show the world what this event's all about. If you're here in Australia and you haven't been to Powercruise, make sure to come check this out. And if you're in the States, check out Brainerd, Minnesota. It's the first weekend in August every year. We'll see you guys next time.